Sustainable mobility and infrastructure are essential to building green economies where people can stay connected without compromising the environment. To make this change possible, leaders, inventors, and entrepreneurs around the world are tapping into electric power and technology. In Dubai, an electric revolution is already underway to make mobility sustainable. The public and private sectors are working together at a rapid pace to create the technology infrastructure and behavioral changes needed to transition away from fuel-driven vehicles. This accelerated rise in the adoption of electric vehicles in Dubai is led in part by micro-mobility companies like Moto, a Dubai-based provider of e-scooters with plans to put 1 lakh EVs on the road across the region by the end of 2023.
This is the year of sustainability. So because of that, it's allowed public and private sector partnerships to further forge. It's allowed, with COP28 coming in November, it's an incredible opportunity. And because of this hype and what the government commit to and their announcements, their initiatives, their green agendas, when you sort of compound all of this and these announcements and commitments, that's enabled the EV sector to really start blossoming.
While EV startups are innovating solutions that transform the way we move, established automobile dealers such as Al-Futtaim Electric Mobility Company are leading efforts to introduce a wide range of affordable electric cars to the public. However, the real secret to Dubai's emergence as a leader in the EV space is the rapid development and availability of charging infrastructure across the city. Dubai Electricity and Water Authority recently joined this cause, launching an ambitious EV green charging initiative that aims to grow Dubai's charging station network by 170% in the next 3 years. Deva is also working closely with the Road and Transport Authority to make public transport in Dubai emission-free by 2050. To achieve this goal, the RTA is planning to make all taxis in the city electric, hybrid, or hydrogen-powered within the next 4 years. The RTA is also making it easier and more beneficial for Dubai residents to own an electric car by offering toll exemptions, reduced registration fees, and free parking.
We're seeing a lot of companies show interest in especially establishing manufacturing in the region. We've had a couple of cars now already starting their manufacturing out in either Zayed Industrial City or Dubai Industrial City. And beyond that, the infrastructure as well is panning out. There's been a lot of talk about involving private players into the charging infrastructure game so that the government isn't the only one that's doing it. And we're going to see an explosion of both fast and slow charging station rollouts, not only in the UAE but also across the region.
Dubai is now extending an invitation to entrepreneurs, innovators, and manufacturers worldwide, calling upon them to join the electric revolution and help the city in its plans to put over 42,000 electric cars on the road by 2030. Businesses venturing into this space will not be able to capitalize on the abundance of resources, talent, and opportunities Dubai has to offer, but can also expect unwavering support from local authorities and the UAE government. With global visionaries and change-makers set to make their way to Dubai later this year for COP28, the electric mobility revolution is expected to pick up pace soon. As more businesses enter the market, electric vehicle adoption among Dubai residents will rise, reinforcing the city as a global leader in sustainable mobility and infrastructure. The time is right and the moment opportune for EV startups and businesses to come to Dubai and redefine mobility.